Welcome once again to Products.wiki. It has been over a year since I last posted any product reviews. I have been struggling with videoing due to intense spine issues. 10 spinal bones damaged in a hit-and-run car accident. Making this video was excruciatingly painful, and I had to stop every few minutes just to ease the pressure on my spine. So please forgive the shakiness of the video. Today I will be unwrapping the ORE-SEQ14 Intel N150 Windows Mini PC, which I purchased on behalf of a friend. As such, I will not be able to do testing etc. with it.